Hello children. Last class we learned some questions from exercise 9.3. Now we are completing that exercise. Fifth question is add P into P minus Q, Q into Q minus R and R into R minus P. Children, here three parts are there. First part is P into P minus Q. Second part is Q into Q minus R. And third part is R into R minus P. Here we have to add all the three parts. First we have to put instead of comma plus sign. Here also instead of and we have to put plus sign. That is P into P minus Q. Instead of comma put plus sign. Q into Q minus R. Instead of and put plus sign. R into R minus P. Then open the bracket with the P. You have to multiply this P with these two terms. That is P into P. Plus into minus, minus. P into Q. Plus. Next open this Q with this bracket. Q into Q. Plus into minus, minus. Q into R. Plus open with the R. R into R. Plus into minus, minus. R into P. Next you know that P into P. P square. Minus P into Q. PQ. Plus Q into Q. Q square. Minus Q into R. QR. Plus R into R. R square. Minus R into P. RP. Here we got P square minus PQ plus Q square minus QR plus R square minus RP. Next we have to rearrange in alphabetical order. First P square. Next Q square plus R square. Next minus PQ minus QR minus VR. We arrange in alphabetical order. P square plus Q square plus R square minus PQ minus QR minus PR. Then, is it clear? Copy down. Second part question is add 2x into z minus x minus y and 2y into z minus y minus x. Here first part is 2x into z minus x minus y. Second part is 2y into z minus y minus x. We have to add these two parts. 2x into z minus x minus y. Instead of and, we have to put plus sign. 2y into z minus y minus x. Next part, we have to multiply this outside term. Outside term is 2x. 2x with these three terms. Here each term multiply with 2x. That is 2x into z minus plus into minus minus 2x into x. 2x into x plus into minus minus 2x into y. Then put this sign plus sign. Then 2y into z plus into minus minus 2y into y. Then plus into minus minus 2y into x. Then here 2x into z 2xz minus 2x into x 2x square. Here x into x s square minus 2x into y 2xy plus 2y into z 2yz minus 2y into y into y square 2y square minus 2y into x 2xy. We can write 2yx is 2xy. Next, any like terms are there, you have to take together. Like terms together we have to take. Here like terms are minus 2xy and minus 2xy. Here first term 2xz minus 2s square. Next like terms take together. Here minus 2xy. Next like term is minus 2xy plus 2yz minus 2y square. Then here 2xz minus 2s square. Then minus 2xy and minus 2xy like terms we have to add and put the sign of minus sign. That is minus 2xy minus 2xy, that is minus 4xy plus 2yz minus 2y square. After that, rearrange in alphabetical order. Here s square term minus 2s square. Next y square term minus 2y square. Next xy minus 4xy. Next yz term plus 2yz plus 2zx. Here answer is minus 2x square minus 2y square minus 4xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Here xz will become here 2zx. Copy down. Next question is subtract 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Here this is first part, this is second part. We have to subtract this part from this part. That is first part we have to subtract from second part. So we have to write second part as first. That is 4l into 10n minus 3m plus 2l. Then subtract sign minus. After putting the subtraction sign, this first part fully put it in bracket. 3l into l minus 4m plus 5m. Once more I am explaining. This is the first part, this is the second part. Here question is first part subtract from second part. So we have to take second part as first part. Then put the subtraction sign. After subtraction sign, the first part you have to take it in bracket. Then here open the bracket with the 4l. All the three terms multiply with the 4l. 4l into 10n. Plus into minus minus. 4l into 3m. Then plus into plus plus. 4l into 2l. Next put this bracket minus and bracket. Open this term. These three terms multiply with the 3l. That is 3l into l. Plus into minus minus. 3l into 4m. Again plus into plus plus. 3l into 5m. 5n. Then here 4l into 10n, that is 40 ln. Here 4l into 3m minus 12 lm plus 4l into 2l. Here l into l square, 4 2s are 8, 8 l square minus then 3l into l, 3l square minus 3l into 4m, 12 lm plus 3l into 5n, that is 15 ln. Here these terms take as it is 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8 L square. Here with the minus open these terms. This bracket you have to open with the minus. Minus into 3 L square. That is minus 3 L square. Then minus into minus plus. Plus 12 ln lm. Then minus into plus minus 15 ln. Then any like terms are there, you have to take the like terms together. Here 40 ln. Here also minus 15 ln. Take together. 40 ln minus 50 ln. Next minus 12 lm. Here also plus 12 lm. Like terms. Plus 12 lm. Here plus 8 L square minus 3 L square. 8 L square minus 3 L square. Then 40 ln minus 15 ln. How much? 25 ln. Minus 12 lm plus 12 lm. Cancel. Here plus 8 L square minus 3 L square, that is plus 5 L square. Here answer we got 25 ln plus 5 L square. Rearrange the term, we will get 5 L square plus 25 ln. Answer we got 5 L square plus 25 ln. Copy down. D part question is subtract 3a into a plus b plus c minus 2b into a minus b minus c from 4c into minus a plus b plus c. Here 3a into a plus b plus c is first part, minus 2b into a minus b plus c is second part, and 4c into minus a plus b plus c is third part. Here these two parts subtract from the third part. Once more, this first part and second part subtract from the third part. First we will write which part? Third part we have to write as first. That is 4c into minus a plus b plus c. Then subtract sign. Minus this part. Put it in bracket. 3a into a plus b plus c minus this part. 2b into a minus b plus c. Then next part. Next we have to open the bracket with the 4c. Open these three terms with the 4c. That is 4c into minus a. Plus into plus plus. 4c into b. Next plus into plus plus 4c into c. Then put a minus sign. Next open with the 3a with these three terms. 3a into a. A plus into plus plus 3a into b. Then plus into plus plus 3a into c. C. Then minus 2b with these three terms. Minus 2b into a minus into minus plus 2b into b minus into plus minus 2b into c. Next, multiply these terms. 4c into minus a minus 4ac plus 4c into b plus 4bc plus 4c into c 4c square plus 4c square minus Then 3a into a, 3a square plus 3a into b, 3ab plus 3a into c, 3ac minus 2b into a, 2ab plus 2b into b, 2b square minus 2b into c, minus 2bc, minus 2bc. Just here minus 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus 3a square plus 3ab plus 3bc, 3ac. Then minus 2ab plus 2b square minus 2bc. These three terms as it is you have to copy down. AC plus BC plus B4C square minus, with the minus open all the bracket terms. Minus into 3a square plus into minus minus 3ab. Then minus into plus minus 3ac. Then minus into minus plus 2ab. Then minus into plus minus 2b square. Then minus into minus 2bc plus 2bc. Copy down this much. Not completed, copy down this. Children, next take like terms. Here 4 minus 4ac, minus 4ac. AC term is here minus 3ac, minus 3ac. Next term is 4bc. BC, any other BC terms? Here plus 2bc plus 4bc plus 2bc. 2bc. Next plus 4c square. Any other c square term? No. 4c square. Next minus 3a square. Any other a square term? No. Minus 3a square. Next minus 3ab. Any other ab term? Here plus 2ab. Minus 3ab plus 2ab. Next term is here minus 2b square. Next here minus 4ac minus 3ac. 2 minus we will add and put the sign of minus. We will get minus 7ac plus here 4bc plus 2bc, 6bc plus 4c square, 4c square minus 3a square. Then here minus 3ab plus 2ab minus 1ab, that is minus ab. Next minus 2b square. Children, next we have to rearrange the terms. Here minus 3a square. Next b part minus 2b square plus 4c square. Next ab term minus ab. Next bc term plus 6bc minus 7ac. Then answer is minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square minus ab plus 6bc minus 7ac. Is it clear? Children, we have completed exercise 9.3. Any doubt is there, you can message to me. Children, I have checked some copies and activities. I will check those copies I have not checked so far.